Good afternoon, YouTubers, and welcome once again to the eastern wing of the Stink Bug Works, that super secret research and development division of Dr. Jet Laboratories. Today, I'm going to talk about progress on the JetStepper. We are getting real close to done. Remember, I had success with this little motor. Well, boys and girls, let me tell you what I've done. I now have 10 of these motors coming. I had to go to a couple of different suppliers to get 10 of them, but I have 10 of these motors coming. I have 10 precision 2mm shafts that I got from Stock Drive Products. These are very nice. I'm going to cut 2mm threads on the ends of these. I also have several, I think I have 10 of these 4mm brass tubes that will just fit this 3D printer plastic. Anyway, it's a Teflon bearing, but it's actually for 3D printers for the, the little strand that gets melted and printed. Anyway, that works as the bearings. I have stainless steel grub screws for the 3mm wheel collars, because they don't give you grub screws with these. Oh, maybe they do. Yeah, they do. I didn't see them. My eyes are so bad. Anyway, these are going to get stainless steel. That's no way to go on a boat. So I have motors. My batteries are sitting on top of pieces of 1/16" plywood. I've already sent some of this to my laser cutting guy. I should be getting motor mounts back any day now. I have the tooling to make lots of foam, and all I have to do is go to Home Depot and buy blocks of that pink foam, or order some online, who knows. I have quite a few, but not quite enough sheets of 1/32 styrene, but I ordered a couple more because they weren't that awfully expensive. Anyway, I have enough material. I can make 10 kits, and I can ship them out in these priority mail boxes. Priority mail shippings across the country is going to be a little bit expensive. It's going to be, $10, $15 to ship these across the country, but that's the price you pay. So if you want JetStepper kits, I'm going to make 10 of them. Drop me an email if you want on the list, and essentially I'm going to do it at my costs. The plans, the last plans I was passing out were for prototype 2. I've changed the plans now to reflect prototype 4. You can have this printout at this scale to fit. I'll send you the full-size PDF of this, and I'll include full-size plans of all the pieces. So if you want just a set of plans and you want to build your own, send me an email. I'll send you the plans. No charge. They're free. Yeah, fast, cheap, and out of control. That's the motto. So anyway, these motors wound up costing me, with shipping, like $25. Yeah, and that's a little more than I wanted to spend, but it's the right motor for this hull. It works right. Of course, I'll give you motor couplers as well. You'll have to source a few things. You'll have to source your own wood block for your rudder if you want to go that way. You can just put a piece of plastic on here and as a doubler and screw into that for your rudder. So that's about it. Have I covered everything, boys and girls? We've got these. I'll get going soon. When I have 10 people lined up, I'll go ahead and make it. To make one at a time isn't worth it. I want to set up all the tooling at one time and make 10. You know, because it takes me just as long to make one as it does to make 10. So give me advance warning when I get 10 people lined up. I'll run a run of them, see how much it costs me. Like I said, you'll get it at roughly my cost. And away you go. Okay, boys and girls, until next time, jet out. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you breaking news from the Stink Bug Works. And here at the Stink Bug Works, you know, when news breaks, we fix it. I have been presented with the contents of this box by my good friend and fellow boat gang member, Waynard. Look-a here, boys and girls, look-a here. Why, if I'm not correct, this appears to be the ubiquitous laser cut plywood kit for the shrimp rigger. Oh no, I can't call this the shrimp boat. It has to be called the jet out.